What if I told you that managing your money could be as simple as ordering your morning coffee and could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars a year? Stay tuned, because today I'm breaking down 5 budgeting tips for beginners that will set you up for financial success starting now. Welcome back to Investly, your go-to channel for mastering money, building wealth, and creating a life of financial freedom. If you're ready to stop feeling broke and start taking control of your cash, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Tip 1. The 50/30/20 rule. First up, the 50/30/20 rule. This is the holy grail of beginner budgeting. Spend 50% of your income on needs like rent, bills, and groceries. 30% goes to wants. Yes, you can still enjoy life. And 20%? That's for savings and debt repayment. This structure keeps you balanced while still moving toward your financial goals. Tip 2. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you can't measure. Download a free app like Mint or a NAB and track every single expense for 30 days. You'll be shocked at how those $5 coffee runs add up. And once you see it, you can fix it. Tip 3. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you splurge, pay you first. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account the moment your paycheck hits. Treat savings like a bill you can't skip. Tip 4. Use cash for discretionary spending. Want to stop overspending? Try the envelope method. Withdraw cash for things like dining out, shopping, or entertainment. When the cash is gone, you're done for the month. Tip 5. Review and adjust monthly. Your budget isn't a prison, it's a plan. Review it every month and adjust based on your goals and life changes. Got a raise? Increase savings. Paid off a debt? Redirect that money to investments. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest budgeting challenge right now? Drop it in the comments, and I might feature your question in the next video. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another tip that could save you money and build your future. And if you're ready to take your budgeting game to the next level, check out my video on how to save $10,000 a year, even on a low income. You will thank yourself later. I'll link it right here.